Hello there guys, it's Joel here, it's Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel for a really exciting video. I've been trying to keep this a secret. I've been trying to keep this a secret for a while. I've been working on it since last year, and I've designed my own capsule sneaker collection. Yes, I might look like I'm going skiing, but I'm just obsessed with this jacket at the moment, and it's pretty cold in my flat, so I thought I'd wear it, and I'm about to go out as well, so I was like, do you know what, I'm gonna get ready, do the sneaker unboxing video, and then head out. So I have 4 pairs of sneakers to show you guys, which is really exciting. And before I go into things, all of them are linked in the description below, so if you did want to cop a pair, you can. I'd love to know your thoughts and opinions on them. Definitely let me know in the comments below, and let's get on with the unboxing. If you are new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe because that would mean the world to me. So the brand that asked me to collaborate with them is called Swear London, and basically Swear do customizable sneakers. They work with different creators every couple of months to collaborate and create their own sneaker collection. So this month is my month. Did the shoot with the guys from Swear last Friday. You might have seen this announced on my Instagram already because I may have posted something. I did some sneak previews last week. So basically today I'm going to run through all 4 pairs of sneakers that I've created. I want to get your opinions, I want to know which your favourite is. I've had such a good time creating these with Swear, and I'm just really happy that I can finally tell you about them. So previous creators that Swear have worked with are people like Vivian Frank, Leomi Anderson, Siobhan Bell and Kojo Funds, just some really cool people on the list of creators, and now it's me. So basically I'm just going to go random into these boxes and whip out the sneakers. Let's go over this one first, because I love all of them, so I don't care what order I do them in. So this is the packaging, really nice. It comes with a little care label, it comes with a little envelope with a care thing of how to care for it. Okay, so the first pair that I'm going to show you, I am the first collaborator or creator to customize this pair of sneakers for a collaboration, because these sneakers have only just come out with Swear. And I was pretty excited about that, and you'll see. So it's called the Crosby. Now I wore these on the shoot, so they have got a bit of wear on them already. But basically it's like a sock sneaker with a really chunky sole, with a zip on the front. You've got a rubber strap on the back which says Swear, and a neon pull tab at the back. So I went for a white rubber sole, black mesh upper, a black pull strap for the zip as well. So it has a zip where you put it on at the front, so it's easy to get your foot inside. And then I went for a neon pull tab at the back with the transparent Swear ankle strap. So yeah, super obsessed with these. They're called the Crosby. They retail at $330, but I just think they're awesome, and I was so lucky to be the first to collaborate on this pair of sneakers. I just love the chunky silhouette, I love the sole. Yeah, they're just really awesome. So yeah, $330, and I will show you what they look like on. Okay. Red church. I've got 2 colorways of these that I designed. But the first pair, the laces are a bit squiff now, but they look better when it's on. So the lining is white calf lining, the outside is white suede with a white suede tongue. They've got nylon red laces, silver hardware and a white rubber sole. So these guys are like a crazy lace-up sneaker with a zip on the back, so you actually don't have to do it with laces every time, you just pop them on at the back. I thought the red church style was awesome, so I wanted to take these and put my own spin on it. In designing the sneakers, I took a long hard look at my own wardrobe and wanted to make stuff that would go with what I wear. Obviously this would go together. Basically the options with Swear to like customize are insane. You can have so many different options. You can either go to like Python or Crocodile and the sneakers become like £6,000 or something. In the whole scheme of things, I did try and keep the price as low as possible. These do retail at £405 because of the suede material. But I think they're awesome. They're really unique as well in a sense that there's not any sneakers out there that look like this, with this amount of laces as well. So that is the first pair, and I'll show you what they look like on. So these are the red church in the black and white colourway. So basically the same shape and style as the last pair, but instead I went for black suede on the tongue and the sides, still silver hardware as well, because I only ever wear silver jewellery. I like silver hardware and anything. If something has gold hardware, I don't get it. And I went for white laces. I used to have a pair of, well, I still have them, they're under my bed, a pair of Dr. Martens that were so like iconic because they were black with silver, and then the contrast white laces, which I saw in like Givenchy collections and stuff like that. So I really wanted to replicate that in a high top. I just think these are sick and a real statement piece. These again are £405 due to the materials and stuff like that, with the zip entrance at the back. So this is the Red Church in the black and white colourway, and I will show you what it looks like on. I think you pronounce this like veneer, V-Y-N-E-R. I just really wanted to go for a clean, minimal kind of style option as well for people, because all of last year I was wearing my off-white sneakers that looked very similar to this, but obviously had the horizontal stripes on them. But these are just a really nice, clean, minimal pair of sneakers. Again, white suede on the upper and the tongue. I've got a calf lining in black, but we have a black sole this time because I really wanted to add that kind of contrast to the bottom. With black laces as well, so a black and white minimal sneaker design. These are the most affordable of them all. They are $265. They're a really nice clean sneaker. I showed all my friends like the sneaker design stuff, and these seem to be the most popular with people because they are so easy to wear. But yeah, I really like these ones, and I will show you what they look like on. So they are the 4 sneakers I've designed for my mini capsule collection with Swear London. I've left links in the description below. Do let me know what you think, which your favourite pair was. If you want to cop any of them, or if you want to customise your own, head to the Swear London website. I just want to say massive thanks to Swear for working with me on this. Really excited, and hope that you guys like them. So yeah, if you did like this video and haven't yet subscribed, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!